To boost a story on Instagram and Facebook, let's create a campaign. Here we can take maybe brand awareness or reach. In this case, we are taking reach as we want maximum number of people to see our ad. Here I can do a naming here, which would only be seen by me, and if you're running ads, it's not visible to the public. Since I'm putting up a teaser, story ad, and maybe I can put up the number, how much I'm promoting. Let's say here I'm promoting 1300 rupees ad, so I'm just writing 1300. You may or may not write this. So here I have no other option to select. I mean, we don't have to select any different category, etc. We go to click next. Now here's the ad set which I have to create, and I have to define my audience. Here I'm targeting a particular city. Also, I need to select the page. So you have selected the page. Here if you see, there's a budget which I have to put up. So here I'm putting a lifetime budget of 1300 rupees. Now I need to change the date range. So I want to start my ad today. So I'm starting this ad somewhere around 5:30. I want this ad to end up by 14th. So you can always choose where you want your ad to be and how much time or what are the dates you want it to be. So I'm putting till 10th to 14th at the time. So here I'm adding up more budget to the story. I'm doing it 2000. So it says it looks higher than you usually put, but here I want to put up 2000 rupees. So I'm putting up 2000. And here also I can go and change. It's just terminology. I mean, just something if you want to put up. Now go to the start end date I've selected. Now here I have to create audience. So I select a particular location. And I just want to target people who are in the city. So here I'm targeting people living or recently in this location. So let's see if I just want to target people who are living in this location. So I'm just targeting them. Now if you see, it's 5,88,700 people. Now I need to change the age group whom I want to target. So here I want to target people till 55, 18 to 55 is what I'm targeting. And here maybe I can do a bit of targeting people who like salons, people who have liked pages related to salons, people who have liked pages related to beauty salons. So my audience has also changed now. So I can put up more targeting here. Let's say I just want to write people who have like pages related to L'Oreal. Here I can choose that. So I can make up more audiences here. So here I've selected these. And now here I'm selecting manual placements because I just want it to be there on Facebook, Instagram, and the stories. So Facebook, Instagram, so I'm just removing feeds. I'm removing in feeds, I'm removing search, I'm removing an article. Just Facebook and Instagram stories is what I'm targeting. If I also want to put it on Reels, I can target Reels as well. But right now I'm just targeting that. So let's say if I'm targeting Instagram, Facebook stories, and Instagram Reels. I go next. I'm just naming this ad. Now here I want to upload. I can just see if there's any video it's already there, or I can upload as well. So here, since I want to upload it, so I'll just I'll delete this, add media, I'll add a video here. Let's check if it can already take up the page video. Here I have the video. And here you can see the ad. Let's see the teaser ad. Always have a check. Again, just see the ad if everything is correct or not. Perfect. So you can always see the placements where you have done it. Facebook stories, Instagram stories, and your Instagram reels when it will come up. It's perfect. So here I'm not putting up any text, anything. It's just a teaser. So I just want this to be promoted, nothing else. Here I've selected the Facebook page and the Instagram account. Make sure you always select the same Instagram account. I'm not doing any tracking because it's not going anywhere on the website. It's just there on Facebook and Instagram. And here we go. So we can just check it again. Our campaign name, that is the objective. Our ad set, what targeting we are doing, where we are doing. Therefore, what's the lifetime budget for Facebook and Instagram story? When will it start? When will it end? What is the audience I'm targeting? People who are interested in salon, people who have liked pages related to beauty salons, etc. And here's the targeting. And here's the placements. And since it's a story ad, it will be more prominent on definitely devices, which is mobile. And publish. Here we go. The ad has been done and it will be processed and soon should be live. That's how you can promote a story in Facebook and Instagram ads in story format.